Magandang hapon, Pilipinas! Are you ready to win thousands of cash prizes ngayong Friday, August 29, 2025? Kung oo, ay welcome po kayo dito sa 5 p.m. edition of the PCSO Lottery Draw. To all our avid digit game players, first to give you prizes ay ang 2 numbers ninyo. For only 10 pesos per combination, pwedeng manalo ng 4,000 pesos kung mag-match ang 2 numbers ninyo sa papipiling winning combination in exact order. Sa Tarambulito System Play naman, 2,000 pesos ang take-home prize. Good luck to the Lotto players! At nakapili na ng mga numero para sa 2D Lotto Draw. For the first number we have 16. And the second number is 14. Again, our 2D Lotto winning combination for the 5 p.m. draw is 16. And 14 in exact order. Para po sa mga lucky 3 number combination, ito na ang chance ninyo. Dahil dito sa 3D Lotto game, yung 3 numbers ninyo, 4,500 pesos ang katapat na premyo. Kapag nag-match ito sa mapipiling 3D Lotto winning combination in exact order. Pag nag-Rambolito System Play naman, 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos ang pwedeng mapanalunan. 3 beses kada araw ang papremyo nito every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. At narito na ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers. The first number is 0. For the second number, we have 4. And the third number is 1. Mga kalaro, recapping the 3D Lotto winning combination for the 5 p.m. draw, we have 0, 4, and 1 in exact order. Congratulations po sa lahat ng nanalo.